Okay guys, so if you want to update your property description, so first of all what you need to do is log into your booking dashboard account. Here you need to find tab property and click on it, and here we can see room. First what you need to update is room amenities, so click on it. So here we can add everything what is included in your property. For example, you can add here, so we can select yes or no, for example balcony or flat screen TV. So click on yes or no, and in some options you can also add photos of these amenities. Okay, once done, so there are many of them, so please check, it's very important, because guests will see, it's like guests before booking, they will see everything what is included or excluded from your property. Okay, so once done, in room amenities, click again on properties, and here we can see, let me check, property layout, view your description, so click on it, and here we can see your property description. So what we can do here is we can scroll down, and here we can see found a typo, request a fix, so click on it. Here you can ask booking what else you would like to add or remove from your property description. As well, if you want, you can click here, go to host profile, or you can also click from property page, and here you can see your profile, so it's the same, so click on it, same. Yeah, and here we can select also your profile type. So for example, if you are running as your property renting account as individual, or if you are renting account as a company profile. So if you have host many properties, probably you are a company, and you can also run it as host profile if you are self-employed, and any, so it depends on your business status. Okay, so here we can basic info, so host name, your name or company name. You can also add your picture of yourself, or company or logotype from your company. So here you can also add some information about property, like for example in my case, great location, blah, blah, blah. Some information about the host, about the neighborhood, so you can add information like where you start doing business in renting out, some extras, so what was renovated, so things like that. You can all change it from here, and once done, click on save. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check my other videos about booking renting out services.